In the beginning, there was nothing. A vast emptiness, silent, timeless, infinite. Then, in a single searing instant, all that is, all that ever will be, erupted into being. The Big Bang. Light, energy, matter, each born in a cosmic dance of creation. Waves of energy rippled across the void, forming the first atoms. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, the building blocks of everything that would follow. Over billions of years, gravity wove its quiet spell. Dust and gas coalesced into clouds. Stars ignited in radiant fury. Galaxies spun into delicate spirals of light. Nebulae bloomed in colors beyond imagination. Blues, violets and golds, each one a nursery of creation. Stars exploded, scattering their stardust across the cosmos. From these ashes, new worlds began to form. Among them, a small, fragile sphere, destined to harbor life, emerged from the darkness. This was our Earth, a molten sphere of fire and rock, spinning in silence, battered by comets and asteroids. Rivers of glowing lava coursed across its surface. Storms of ash and gas choked its young skies. Lightning carved paths across the burning clouds. And yet, slowly, inexorably, it began to calm. The molten fury dimmed. Steam rose from the first oceans. Thick clouds gathered, and rain fell for centuries, carving valleys and feeding vast basins. Land masses emerged from the haze, jagged, raw, alive. Mountains clawed toward the heavens, their peaks piercing stormy clouds. Rivers snaked through green valleys, glinting in the faint light of a newborn sun. Savannas stretched into golden plains. Forests began their silent, patient growth. Oceans shimmered in shades of turquoise and sapphire, hiding secrets yet to be revealed. Earth had learned balance. Chaos softened into life's first promise. The stage was set. The theatre of life was ready. Look now at this living planet, a mosaic of wonder, sculpted by time, shaped by elements, and bathed in light. The golden savannas stretch endlessly, their tall grasses swaying in rhythm with the wind. Herds of elephants, antelope, and wildebeest traverse these plains like moving rivers, leaving trails across the sun-baked earth. Dust rises softly behind them, glittering in shafts of sunlight. Each creature plays its part in a delicate, eternal balance. Beyond the plains, mountains rise, jagged and proud. Snow crowns their summits, piercing clouds that drift in slow, silent currents. Waterfalls tumble down ancient rock faces, carving deep valleys where life thrives in quiet shadows. Rivers, silver ribbons in the green, twist and turn, feeding forests and wetlands, nourishing the cycle of life. Forests emerge, dense and primeval. Mist drifts in golden shafts through towering trees and tangled vines. Life teems in hidden corners. Birds with flashes of iridescent plumage. Monkeys leaping through branches. Insects shimmering like living jewels. Every leaf glistens with dew. Every root anchors a story older than human memory. The oceans pulse with mystery, deep and endless. Turquoise shallows reveal coral kingdoms, their colors vivid against the endless blue. Schools of fish shimmer, moving like liquid light. Currents swirl with grace, and whales, The giants of the deep glide silently beneath the surface, their immense bodies cutting through the water with effortless majesty. In the quiet shallows of time, life awakens. The first microscopic cells shimmer under light, dividing, multiplying, fragile sparks in the vast dark. In those tiny forms lies the promise of every creature that would ever walk, swim, or fly. Time flows, eons pass, and complexity grows. Colonies form, shells harden, fins appear, and soon the first creatures leave the water to crawl onto the land. Amphibians drag themselves across the muddy shores. Forests rise around them, giant ferns, towering cycads, and trees with leaves broad as sails. Dinosaurs thunder through the primeval landscape, their massive forms casting shadows that stretch for miles. Time bends. One era dissolves into another. Extinctions sweep through, but life persists, resilient, inventive, tireless. Mammals emerge quietly, small and adaptable. Birds take flight, cutting golden sunlight with their wings. The oceans teem with whales, rays, and countless shimmering forms. Each species is a brushstroke on Earth's living canvas, an experiment in survival and beauty. Every river, mountain, and forest is a stage for life's endless performance. From the tiniest microbe to the largest blue whale, life displays a grandeur both intimate and infinite. Evolution is a slow, patient artist, painting every creature, every ecosystem, every moment with care. The world hums with connection. Every leaf, every wave, every breath intertwined in the invisible threads of existence. And we, humans, arrive late to this story. Observers, stewards, dreamers. Every atom in our bodies, every drop of water, every breath we take, was forged in the heart of a dying star. The universe is our ancestor, and the earth, our cradle. Look at the forests, the rivers, the oceans, the deserts, each a chapter in a story written over billions of years. Every mountain, every wave, every leaf, whispers of the time that came before us. As we gaze upward, we see the Milky Way stretching in silver across the night sky. We see auroras dancing at the poles, the oceans shimmering under moonlight, and continents glowing faintly in the human heartbeat of cities. And yet, all this is part of the same living story. One planet, one life, one chance to marvel at the miracle of existence. The universe is immense. Galaxies spin in silence. Stars are born and die in brilliant flashes, and comets trace arcs of light across the void. Time itself flows like a river, carrying worlds, life, and the memory of everything that ever was. And amidst this infinite expanse, Earth persists, our sanctuary, our home, our story. Let us pause to consider the beauty of life in all its forms. The tiniest microbe thriving in a hidden pond, the soaring albatross crossing vast oceans, the blue whale gliding through the deep. Each is a testament to patience, to resilience, to the artistry of evolution. Every creature, Every ecosystem, every living thing is a note in the symphony of existence. And we are witnesses, observers, dreamers, stewards of this fragile jewel spinning in the cosmic night. When we look at Earth, we look at ourselves. When we look at the stars, we glimpse our origins. We are connected to everything: the oceans, the mountains, the forests, the stars, bound by the same light that once ignited the universe. This is your invitation to explore, to wander, to marvel, to see the world not only as it is, but as it has been and as it could be. To feel awe, not just for the stars above, but for the living earth beneath your feet. Join us on this journey. Discover the rivers, the mountains, the oceans, the forests, and the skies. Walk among the wonders of our planet. Dream beyond it. And remember, this is our home, fragile and infinite, a story still being written. Subscribe to Home Among the Stars. Witness the beauty of our Earth. Explore the universe within and beyond. And remember, we are part of this story, together, here on our small, miraculous blue planet.